Hi everybody and welcome to a new episode of We Need to Talk. Today the announced step-by-step installation video, how to set up the Gunbot, how to download the software, how to get a license, how to start with the whole topic. So in this video I will show you how to trade altcoins automatically. So there are a lot of things that we need to talk concerning this, so I made a short presentation, so this is the agenda we will talk about. So first I will do a short introduction of the Gunbot trading bot in general, then we will do a short analysis of my first 140 trades with the Gunbot. Then I will show you how to get the API key from your exchange, which is necessary to make the Gunbot work, and then I will show you how to get a license for the Gunbot, how to download and install the Gunbot, and at least how to set up a trading pair. Just to give you an overview, in the next episode I will show you what are Bollinger Bands, how to find good trading pairs, and how to find the right setting for each pair. So if you are interested into the topic automatic crypto trading in general, subscribe to my channel. There will be more videos concerning that topic in the future. Thank you. Okay, so let's go on with the presentation. First, a short introduction of the Gunbot trading bot. So this is a software developed by Gunther Lab. I am running the Gunbot in version 3.3, and here on the right you can see the trading pairs I am running with the Gunbot. So it's Waves, Stratus, NEM, Sirecoin, Pivx, OMG, Neo, Ripple, Monaco Coin, Lisk, Zcash, Stellar, Digibyte, Verge, Golem, Quantum, and Monero. So the bot now is running for around 12 days. And in my opinion, it's really good. For sure, it's not that double up your money in a few hours, but it's running really stable. In my opinion, this is a software with a really good code. Maybe it looks a bit complicated when you see that it looks like a software for nerds or programmers, but you will see in this episode that it's really easy to set up this software and to let the bot run and work for you. So there will be more details concerning the installation and how you run the bot. So in general, what the bot does, you set up trading pairs and the bot buys and sells. So the bot goes in out in the currency and makes small profits. But when you accumulate the profits, they are quite good. So let's jump over to the next sheet. So here, short analysis of my first 140 trades with the trading bot. Yeah, I put the work into a sheet. I exported the data from Bittrex, and here you can see with the first 140 trades I made a profit of 0.067 BTC, and the bot had a working capital of 0.7 BTC, so this was a total profit of 9.6%. So what you can see is that Neo, Digibyte, Verge, and OMG were the best pairs I had running during the days. So you can see that for Civic, for example, Civic was good too, 17 trades, but not that good like Neo, for example, with 13 trades, made more profit, but it's not so easy to demonstrate all information in that chart because Neo, for example, is allowed to do a higher amount per trade, so this is why Neo spikes out here when we compare the profits in directly in BTC and not in a percentage. So yeah, but overall I would say OMG, Verge, Digibyte, Neo, and Civic were the best trading pairs in my setup during the last 12 days. So okay, so when you are interested into the topic and setting up a Gunbot, we now get over what is important. The Gunbot itself communicates with the exchange over the so-called API key, and therefore you when you buy a license, you have to send them their your public API key, and then they set up your license on their server, and then the Gunbot will work with your API key and will directly communicate with the exchange. So I will show you in the next sheet how to get the API key on Bittrex. So it's really easy. Just click on Settings, then click on the left in the left menu on API keys. Click here on Add New Key, and just hit that options that read info is on, trade limit is on, trade market is on, but be sure that withdraw is off. This is really important, otherwise this could be a leak in security. So when you create this key, you get a public API key. It's displayed here, and you get a secret key. And I want to say that be sure that first save your secret key, and it's quite the same like public and private keys for concerning your wallet. Be sure that your private API key, nobody can watch it or send it to nobody. It's not necessary for getting the license to communicate your private API key. With that private API key, everybody could do trades in your account, so be really careful concerning that key. So, and in the next sheet I will show you how to get the API key on Poloniex. It's quite the same, simple. Just click here on Settings, and there is a sub menu. Click on API keys, and in the standard setting the API access is disabled. So first enable API access, then click on Create New Key, and here the settings are just enable trading and make sure that withdrawals are disabled. Then create new key. You have here further options concerning IP access restriction, that only a whitelist of IP addresses is allowed. If you have a static IP address, I would highly recommend that setting. But if your IP address is not static, then maybe this setting is not the best for you, because every maybe 24 hours when you get a new IP address, you would have to change the setting here. So yeah, this is how to get the API key, and let's just jump over to how to get the license for the Gunbot. Okay, so when you click the link below my video, you come to the CryptoBot website, and here they have the title Gunbot, the profit generator, automate crypto trading, get Gunbot while available, works on Cryptopia, Bittrex, Poloniex, and Kraken. And here you can see the prices. So for a single exchange license, it's 0.1 BTC. But I must say this in the beginning, when you visit the website the first time, there comes a pop-up where they offer a 5% discount when you subscribe to their newsletter. I would highly recommend to subscribe to get the 5%. I will show you some emails concerning the registration, and there I can show you that you get an email with a discount code of 5% when you subscribe to the newsletter. So don't miss this bonus, in my opinion. So it's when you subscribe to the newsletter, it's 0.095 BTC for a single exchange. There are two different licenses for two exchanges, or for all three markets. So I think most of the time a single exchange should be enough. I personally bought the single license for Bittrex. I am using the Gunbot on Bittrex, so it's quite easy. Just click here on Buy Now. First, as I mentioned, subscribe to the newsletter to receive the bonus. Here you can enter the bonus code, and then you will see the price will be 0.095 BTC, and then you can proceed to checkout. You will receive an email with a wallet address where you can send the BTC. Let me just show you that. So here, this is the the confirmation you get when you subscribe to the newsletter. They send you the code where you get the 5% discount. And after you ordered, here you can see this is thank you for your order, amount BTC as I mentioned 0.095. They send you the address and then you send the BTC to the address, and after that you receive another email with a download link. Just check here. Here you can see the download link and so on, and it is necessary to send the API key to them so that they can activate the license. It will take maybe 1 or 2 hours, and after that you will get another email that the license is active, and then you can start running. So concerning the download, just okay, so here in my account you see the available download links, and when we click here on Gunbot 3.3.2 we get a zip file. There is no installation necessary concerning the Gunbot. Just unzip this file to a folder, and let's just open the Gunbot folder. Just a second. Here, Gunbot. Here you can see this is the folder of the Gunbot application, and let's first just talk about the structure of the files. Here see for each trading pair you have 7 files. So this is the config file. Here you have some log files concerning errors or last buys and so on. So these files are created automatically, so you don't have to worry concerning them. But after unzipping the download file, there is an initial trading pair. I think it was BTC Ethereum on Poloniex. So just delete the files concerning that initial trading pair and set up your own trading pairs. So we launched the application by just clicking on here on gunbot.executable. Just launch the application, and when we just put that here in. So yeah, this is the Gunbot now. I have set up already a lot of trading pairs, and let's just walk here through the settings you have to do initially. So you have to select the market. As I mentioned, I have a license for Bittrex, and here you enter the public API key and the secret key. Then here you can select the strategy, and there is kind of an initial strategy which is based on the Bollinger Bands buy and sell, and there is, I think the initial was 2% gain, and here this is important, and in the next episode there will be way more information concerning that, but I want to make this video short, and in the next episode there will be way more details concerning setting up the strategy, finding a good trading pair and so on. So here this is just the low Bollinger Band and the high Bollinger Band, which means above, below Bollinger Band you want to buy or sell. So here this is another possible strategy, the ping pong strategy, where you set up a buy price and the sell price, and then the bot will play ping pong in out with the fixed prices. And this is the step gain strategy here with different buy and sell levels. More information concerning step gain in the next episode. Here set up the settings concerning balance, so the maximum balance per trade, and the security margin, which means sell all balance if currency decreases X% after you bought it. So here it is not recommended to change the settings, indicator setting. Here the bot timing, time delay, and bot on fail delay. I choose a really short time of 30 seconds, but the bot calculates the time automatically. So when, for example, here we can see BTC waves, and the last price was 9,998, and our last buy order was 955. So here I think the the actual price now is close to the Bollinger Band, and then the Gunbot says need faster, yes, and then it decreases the time for checking the actual price and make a decision if the bot should buy or sell. So I think the initial setting here is 60 seconds. It depends on how much pairs you are running. So when you are running more than 20 pairs, it's not recommended to decrease the or to increase the check to go down, for example, to 20 seconds. Then this could lead to a ban from the exchange concerning your API key. So yeah, just that in short. And if you want to, for example, let's just add a trading pair. You just enter here the name of the currency. So for example, let's just say we want to add Litecoin, so BTC LTC. We use the Bollinger Band strategy. We say 3% gain is minimum, and let's just say when we reach low Bollinger Band on 20% and the high Bollinger Band on 15%. More information concerning that in the next episode. As mentioned, don't forget to subscribe to that so that you don't miss the next episode. And now we click on save, and here we got the confirmation, saved settings for BTC LTC. And now we can click on load, and here you see for each trading pair the Gunbot creates this JavaScript file, and we created BTC LTC. Let's just open this one and click on start. Just cancel this, and now let's go over to the right. Here you can see BTC LTC. It's still loading, so still calculating the prices. Here now it's got a connection, so last price, price to buy and price to sell. There is no LTC balance in my Bittrex account, so as you saw, it's really easy to save or to set up a trading pair and to load and run it. This is really not complicated. So, but more details on selecting good trading pairs and how to set up the Bollinger Bands and so on in the next episode. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like what you see here on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and to leave a like, leave some comments down below. And if you are interested into the Gunbot automatic crypto trading topic, there is a link below this video where you can get a license for the Gunbot. So I would really appreciate if you would use that link to support the channel. So yeah, thank you, have a great day, and don't forget, in the cryptosphere there are a lot of topics that we need to talk.